Okay guys, so here we go. I will put the new heater in. This is kind of a tutorial, so you need a 10mm bolt. You have something like this. You want to stick the heater in. If it doesn't goes in all the way. Okay, good. Right here. Hopefully it'll stay good. Now the first bolt is actually after this, so this should be here, and then you put this. This is a flat one. It's flat, and the other one is rounded, so we have some kind of a rubber. Oh. Okay. You need to tie this very well so the water will not leak through. In my case, it got to get its way through, but on the old heater, now you're having grounds. These two are from the top here, but that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in this one, which will go here at the middle. Now, in most of the cases, at the most of the machine, that what I know is that it doesn't matter the polarity, but in my case, I will just place them because they're by the long of it. So the longer one. Also, if you have the original heater has blue and red. So the red one is the longer one, which will go here, and the shorter one is the blue one, which will go here. This is the black wire, so with the blue end of the heater. So yeah, here we go. This is how to replace a heater. Now we're just gonna place this. This is a metal plate. You put it right here. Be very careful. This needs to rest on the aluminum part. This leg right here. Okay. And then see, this thing has rubber at the end of it, so there's basically nothing to get loose at the spinning, because this machine spins not very fast, but it still spins, and it needs the heater. You don't need to tie this very well, just so it will get a position and will not move. You can check that by pulling it, and if it moves, it is still loose. So you need to get it straight till it doesn't move anymore. And in my case, it doesn't move. So yeah, here we go. This is how to replace a heater on a Merloni Ardo washing machine. This is the result. It seems pretty well, meaning that the water got leaking from here and this got rusty, but here we go. These are all the connections. These two became the shorter one here and the longer one here, this end. The motor, all of them are connected. We're gonna do a test wash soon, so hopefully it will go. So bye guys, see you tomorrow.